The three things that come to mind when I think of NAS as our contract manufacturer is honesty, integrity, and service. The value that we receive from NAS goes far above just the price. I mean, you can say, how much is your cost, or what is it really worth to me? And the staff and the value I get from everyone at NAS is outstanding and far outweighs the price.
We have not been able to find anybody who is more competitive or provides the degree of service that NAS provides us. Essentially, you have to consider that our business is not assembly, shipping, logistics. We have a separate business that is regulated by the FDA. NAS has become experts in their business, and we are purchasing that expertise at a very competitive price.
I would tell others that are looking for an assembly partner regarding NAS is to call them and let them look at your entire supply chain or your entire project and come to you with a solution, because they're great. NAS has been phenomenal in meeting our delivery requirements. We have product that comes in, it's assembled, palletized, and out the door literally within 2 days of having it finalized. They've also sourced the proper logistics to get our product on a beautiful pallet to our customer in record time. They're great.
The cost savings that we enjoy are that we get to stay out of another business that we don't want to be in. It's not our core competence. It is NAS's core competence. So to the extent that we don't have to touch it, to the extent that it doesn't have to be touched by repeated parties, to the extent that you can consolidate in one location, to the extent that you can have one set of hands on it that does everything, the savings is incalculable.